Guys, here we are again and it's BME Metropolitan Subic Bay. So, as you can see, ito po yung former Naval Base, US Naval Base sa mga barko before. And then I can show you a little bit further. Over there is a Kawag Mountain. This is the former casino from before, Malaysia Casino. Let's just go there forward. And I just show you a little bit here and it's swimming. Everywhere it's just water because it's a rainy season here. As you can see, everything here is almost abandoned. It's already closed for a long time. But still, you can see they build a very nice building because of the US before. You can see, guys, everything here, it's abandoned and empty inside. And this one is also hotel before, beside in the casinos, but everything it's abandoned. Outside still pretty. And here in the other side, that's also Diamond Casino, a former Filipino casinos. It's also abandoned. Everything it's closed here. It's just a very few hotels and a restaurant what is open here and is being in Naval Base. But here is everything so empty. And here at the back side of the hotel before, it's quite beautiful, but there's nobody around anymore. It's the only one car it's parking right now, maybe someone who is working here. Here you can see the name, casino, but it's abandoned. But they want to make a renovation here, and it will be soon a hotel. Here they have already a building permit. Here it has still open, the velvet. Here is also Jerry's restaurant, where I ate on the first time when I arrived in Zambales. It's quite beautiful and delicious food there. And here it has a beautiful santan flowers from the Philippines. And here again, next to the beautiful restaurant Jerry's before, again, a beautiful buildings, houses from the US Navy before, which is already closed now and abandoned. Here I still have somebody who is selling some souvenirs because we are here at the boardwalk and it's BMA Naval Base in Subic Bay. And here it has still a lot of locals, tourists who is coming here every day. Now we are here at the beach of SBMA. As you can see, it's low tide right now, but a lot of garbage everywhere. You know, it is a very pity because before, when still the US here, everywhere it just amazing, beautiful and clean here, but now all the garbage is just everywhere around. Guys, I'm very sorry, it's already dark right now, it's already evening, but I can still show you around a little bit how beautiful it is here. There you can see the lighthouse here in SBMA, and of course the beautiful beach around. And here it has a lot of activity. What's going on here? The SBMA this month.
Haba naman. Paano bababasa to?
Dalawa nga.